Knock knock, who's there? Me. Me who? Me miss you long time. And I'm back with the corny jokes. Hi guys, so welcome back to Simply Kamellen. I have been missing for a hot sticky minute. I know. So much has been going on. You will get just an introduction in this one, and then the following video after this will be the video that you get the updates on what has been happening, where I've been, why I've been absent, all of that jazz. Alright, thank you so much. Enjoy. I don't like the idea of putting everything out there. I'm gonna have to take off the clothes. Miss, you want to be in my video? You want to be in my video?
We are in school.
That's not asked.
Are you coming right here, come?
No. Yes, a little bit. We're gonna put them together and put vice over. Yeah, kinda the beginning, but it had to me about flipping space.
Why they walk in the camera?
Because I didn't plan to.
I know we see a cheat then. Jeez.
Hi guys. Not me sliding back over here like me never disappeared for you almost a year. Alright, so my bestie and I, hey bestie, we decided to just have a little lunch. I have so much to tell you guys, so much. Alright, but we decided to have lunch today at this beautiful restaurant. It's called Chimneys. It's in Ocho Rios. It is such a beautiful it is such a beautiful place. I'm having seafood I'm having seafood soup, which you can see.
Fish.
Yeah, that's the funny thing. I don't eat fish, but seafood, other than the, fish, it's okay. But the fish itself, it gives me a headache. And I think if I have mussels too, mussels are another thing that gives me a headache. So I'm seeing I think this is calamari, crayfish, shrimp, and the regular pumpkin yam thing, cut up in cute squares.
Really?
Alright, so stay tuned. I have so much more to tell you guys. Hint, hint. Look at my molly. Sam! Me neither.